Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are doing really fantastic. I hope you are really fit and fine. Almighty grace of Allah. Today morning the weather was really dry and cold, and also fog is really all the whole area. Now the sun is rise in the sky, and the light is really amazing, beautiful, looking so sweet. The feeling is really good right now, and I am here to making some video. If I mistake any kind of sentence, please remind me on my comment box, because I am also beginner. I want to learn, I want to improve my English. Please support me for making video. Please with me for learning English. If you have any suggest for my improving, please comment and tell me how to way I can follow. If you interest and if you have a learning anywhere, please follow my way. Thank you for watching my video. Please keep me in your prayer, and also please subscribe my channel, and also follow my page and TikTok ID. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.